Today I am reviewing the NIMO 15.6-inch light gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you are a content creator, a business student, or a professional who needs a high-performance computer on the go, you have probably noticed a major dilemma in the laptop market. You usually have to choose between a bulky, heavy gaming laptop with terrible battery life, or a super thin ultrabook that slows down to a crawl the moment you try to edit a video or run a complex data simulation. Today, we are taking an in-depth look at a machine designed to bridge that exact gap. The NIMO 15.6-inch light gaming and productivity laptop. Equipped with an 8-core AMD Ryzen 7 Pro processor, a massive 32 gigabytes of RAM, and premium integrated graphics, this machine promises true workstation power in a highly portable chassis. But how does it handle real-world stress? Let's break down the details across 4 key pillars: processor performance, creative capabilities, memory and storage, and battery efficiency. First, let's tackle the core performance. At the heart of this NIMO laptop is the AMD Ryzen 7 Pro 6850U processor. This is an 8-core, 16-thread powerhouse that can boost up to 4.7 GHz. To put that into perspective, this chip comfortably beats out many 13th-generation Intel Core i7 processors, especially when it comes to sustained workloads. What makes this Pro Series processor stand out is its integrated AI-enhanced productivity architecture. In an era where smart workflows are becoming standard, this CPU provides the local raw power needed for advanced AI tasks, from running real-time voice noise-canceling filters during corporate video calls to processing local image enhancements. For remote professionals and business students, it delivers a smooth, snappy experience with zero interface lag. Next up is the graphical performance, which is a massive talking point for this machine. Instead of a basic, sluggish internal graphics chip, the NIMO features the integrated AMD Radeon 680M graphics card. Built on a high-performance gaming architecture, this integrated GPU actually rivals entry-level discrete, or standalone, graphics cards. This is an absolute game-changer for freelance graphic designers, video editors, and STEM students. Whether you are rendering a high-definition video project in a local cafe, editing massive image files, or running complex engineering simulations in the university lab, the visual playback remains incredibly fluid. Furthermore, it easily handles casual and light gaming, meaning you can jump into popular multiplayer titles during your downtime without needing a dedicated, power-hungry gaming rig. Third, let's talk about the memory and storage configuration, because NIMO did not cut any corners here. This laptop comes packed with a massive 32 gigabytes of high-bandwidth RAM, alongside a lightning-fast 1TB solid-state drive, or SSD. For creative professionals and data researchers, this massive memory buffer means you will experience a zero-bottleneck workflow. You can easily train localized smart language models, run complex programming scripts, and keep dozens of demanding browser tabs and creative applications open simultaneously without the system crashing or stuttering. The 1TB SSD ensures that your operating system boots up in seconds and massive project files transfer almost instantly. Finally, a laptop is only truly portable if its battery can keep up with your schedule, and this is where the NIMO laptop truly shines. Designed for traveling sales managers, busy students, and mobile creators, it features an intelligent battery management system that easily powers you through a full day of classes or client meetings. But the real savior here is the inclusion of a high-power 100-watt Type-C fast charger. Because it uses the universal USB-C standard, you can rapidly juice up your laptop, your phone, and your other devices using a single power brick. A quick charging session completely eliminates outlet anxiety during short airport layovers or back-to-back corporate presentations. To top it all off, the laptop features a gorgeous 15.6-inch Full HD display, a premium backlit keyboard for effortless typing in low-light environments, and excellent modern connectivity. To wrap up our review, the NIMO 15.6-inch laptop is an outstanding, versatile workhorse. It successfully balances elite processing speed, next-generation integrated graphics, massive storage, and rapid charging into a sleek, professional design. If you are looking for a powerful machine that can effortlessly handle demanding business software, creative editing suites, and light gaming without breaking your budget. This NIMO laptop is an exceptionally strong contender.